Good afternoon once again from Arab Health Dubai. Very pleased to welcome Mr. Shez Partovi, Chief Innovation and Strategy Officer at Philips, coming all the way from the Netherlands. Thank you very much for being with us. You came all the way from the Netherlands. We are here at Arab Health, basically the region's #1 health event. We were in the year of sustainability. As you know, in UAE, we had COP28 as well. The whole world is buzzing in terms of sustainability and ESG. What are the best practices that you are bringing all the way from the headquarters to the region in this regard, and where are we?
Well, even though this is the year of sustainability, for Philips, it's been sustainability as an agenda, as a focus for us for many years. As you know, we actually are been operationally carbon neutral since 2020, and even the electricity that we use is now sustainable. So for us, it's in our DNA, it's part of the way we operate, and that manifests itself in all sorts of things, such as the way we design our solutions. Eco-design is an incredibly important factor to us. Circularity, reduction of consumption, reusability. These are all aspects in which we consider right up in our design thinking, all the way down. Sustainability is not an afterthought, but rather really upfront in our design process is the way we think through how can something be eco-friendly, eco-designed, so that it's appropriate for a sustainable environment.
Knowledge sharing plays a major role in advancing worldwide. We are in the Middle East. How can we basically accelerate the knowledge sharing across the world, especially in the Middle East?
Well, certainly collaborating in partnerships with organizations and as well as our customers in looking at how we can create sustainable environments. In fact, there are areas in the world where we work with our customers to look at sustainability. For example, in radiology, how to make radiology more sustainable, how to make hospitals entirely sustainable. It's not an activity that one can do. We can make our operations such, but for healthcare transformation, it's really with partnerships in local areas, but also globally, so that the operations in a health system are made sustainable through understanding what is the way in which the customer and our partners operate. So it's really a partnership model we use for bringing sustainability to healthcare.
Technology is rapidly evolving with the AI, with all what's going on. How do you foresee the role of technology in the coming 5 years in advancing ESG and sustainability in the healthcare sector?
Well, certainly technology is critical. I mean, in healthcare itself is 5% contribution to the carbon emissions. So we know that technology plays a role in reducing that. A great example I can give you is actually in our MRI scanner. We have a helium-free MRI scanner. And that's really important because helium itself is of course, a rare compound. It's not a sustainable way to create helium and to collect helium. And typically an MRI scanner needs about 1,500 liters. But Philips has designed a helium-free with only operates with 7 liters of helium. That's an example of using technology to bring a sustainable environment, a sustainable product to the environment, to market that supports our sustainability ambitions.
My last question is about policies. Policies play a crucial role. We see a lot of policies in the European Union in this regard. What about the Middle East? What can we learn in terms of policies, and what are the most pressing needs in terms of adopting within the policies?
Well, certainly, to your point, policy plays a key role. And so there are some parts of the world which lead in the ambitions of sustainability, and it's great to learn from other organizations in other countries as to how to actually lean in. So from our perspective, we, of course, are partnering with government organizations across the world to see how we can advance the agenda of sustainability. So that's, if you will, something we do, but also within our own organization as well. So we see policy as a key aspect, and our role in advocating for policy within the organizations that will then lead to sustainability is key.
Thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you very much for having me.